Hey, what's up, YouTube? Yeah, I have been doing this project for over 2 years right now, and it started out as a simple project. I was collecting these 18650 cells from dead laptop batteries and tearing them down. Well, basically, I'm going to talk about three things: the batteries, that little guy, the BMS, and the power inverter. Well, these are 18650s, as we have seen. Yeah, and they are in 127p and 7s configuration. Well, each pack of this rests on these metal clips. Those metal clips, and just to make it safe, I decided to skip 3 cells from the bottom and 2 cells from the top. That's where the hook comes in and goes in between these 4 cells. It comes down and holds the pack so that it doesn't topple towards the front. Well, I'll talk about these cells. Okay, these are if you do the math, this is 6 by 22, that is 132 cells, but minus this 3 plus 2, that makes it 127 in parallel, and they are in a 7s configuration. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7s configuration. Yeah, so each pack gives me a total of around 210 amperes, and one pack gives me a total of 3.7 volts nominal. Well, that makes it 3.7 multiplied by 7, 3.5 that is, multiplied by 7, that gives me 25.9, around 25.9. Well, the total voltage is 25.9 volts, and amperes, that gives me 210 amperes. You can do the math. Well, I think that's basically all I need to talk about for the cells. Yeah, basically that's everything I need to talk about the cells. And next I'll be talking about the BMS, that little guy in there. That's a Jabaria BMS. As a matter of fact, I really recommend this BMS because I got it from China through AliExpress, and the supply is a very good guy. Whoever I was dealing with, that guy is amazing. He really helped me in sorting out a few issues that I had. That is an 8s BMS, but I had a 7s configuration, so the wiring was a little bit tricky. Well, I thought it would be the same as other BMSs, like Overkill BMS, where the wiring is a bit different, where those strands go to different places. Well, I won't talk much about that, but that's Jabaria BMS, and very recommended. That's a 100 amps. It can push up to a maximum of 100 amps. I haven't tried that, but I haven't. My inverter is a bit small, so I haven't pushed that limit. Well, so far so good. That thing comes in, it has a scanning code right there. I'll do another video concerning about the BMS, but in the meantime, 100 amps is what that little guy is pushing. Well, I'll go to my power inverter. That is a SolarMax inverter. It's a 1.5 kVA inverter. Well, not the best, but so far so good. I haven't gotten into any problems. The wiring is simple. If you look inside, the positive, negative, and it's a hybrid inverter, so I can charge my batteries using the grid. Yeah, I haven't quite figured out how to configure this thing. If anyone has a clue and you watch this video, please give me a tip. Well, what else do you need to know? I don't think so. This is everything you need to know. That's my little setup. I'll do a detailed video about each piece. That is the battery, the BMS, and the power inverter, though nothing much about the power inverter. It's just a power inverter, hybrid power inverter. Well, that's it from me. Peace.